Hello everyone, this is Richard on this channel. Today I have an exciting news. We have a new code editor in the loom, and that is none other than from Google. No one ever thought that Google will create a competition to VS Code and fork it and never tell you. But let me tell you what. Google has created a new coding editor called Anti-Gravity that is going to challenge the cursor, its competition. So Cursor has been playing alone in this field. No, maybe not alone, but with many other competition. But Cursor is the winner in this category of editors because he's the one who invented the agenting mode. You can create multiple things and follow up and so on. Oh, let me tell you, the Cursor experience is good, or at least has improved many competition to play the same game of creating a good product. Now Google has noticed it has a good model called Gemini 3, but for some reason it's not being used. Why? Because developers live in code editor. And if you create, I don't think there's a developer who goes to, let me go to Google Studio and create code there and come paste and in my code editor and recompile. For some starters, they do, but for the pro, they need to live in code editor. And that's why Google has created a new code editor called Anti-Gravity. So that's something that people started talking about and is really important to notice. And it is also important to notice that from the Google perspective, no one ever thought that when they bring this code editor, they will allow other models to be able to switch the models from Gemini to Sonnet, Cloud Sonnet 4.5, for example, or GPT open source models and other models. Because in nutshell, Google is AI company as well. It has Gemini. It is very good. It has Nano Bananas. It has many AI solutions that you can use. Why would Google allows the competition models to be available on their own editors? Let me tell you why. The first reason is that Google don't want you to feel like you were locked. So they want to make developer feel like they have a choice, and they want developers to be able to compare the models and be able to use the model of their own choice, and this will give Google more insight of what is working with their models versus the competition models, I believe. Because if you are accessing the models within the Google editors, that tells you something. First, Google is able to get the telemetry, the analytics, and everything around the product to be able to understand how they can improve their own Gemini models.